Hi, I'm Todd Romano, co-founder of Speed UTV, and welcome to the Speed Factory. Welcome back to the Speed Factory, and with as many cars as getting out in the field, we're starting to play with other speed races and other customer cars, and as we get out there, what's most important is, again, safety. Are you riding with a helmet? If you're riding with a helmet, how close are you? If you're in the dust, what are you doing? Can you see? Do you run pressurized helmet skirts? Are you running a windshield? What are you doing for dust? And both from PCI and Rugged, we run pumpers. This is a pressurized breathing device that allows you to connect your hose to your helmet and allows you to get fresh air, cold air, or ambient temperature air to make sure no dust comes in your helmet, no dust comes in your eyes, and allows you to enjoy a safe day when you can come through the dust or be in some dust due to the amount of traffic you're riding in, and make sure you can see that you're not choking on dust all day and you can enjoy your ride. When you run with your helmets will be pressurized. You'll be able to have communication in your helmet to talk car to car, and you'll be able to change the speed of your pumper based on the temperature outside and how much air pressure you want in to keep the dust out. So, Rugged, PCI, make sure you have a pumper in your car. If you're riding with groups, if you're riding with a helmet, I highly recommend riding in clean air. So, thanks again from the Speed Factory. Make sure you go out there. Have a great weekend.